330 ohm resistors, an Arduino Nano board or any type of Arduino board, male-to-male jumper cables, one button, and a breadboard. All other items shown here can be found with links in the description below. Shown above is a schematic plan of how all components are wired together. First things first, be sure to connect your ground wire to the breadboard as well as your 5-volt power. From there, place your 3 LED pins. Each pin will be connected to a 330 ohm resistor, which then is connected to your ground. Then each LED pin will also have a male-to-male jumper cable, which connects the LED pin to a digital pin on the Arduino board. As you can see, for the green LED, I chose digital pin 12, for the red, digital pin 13, and for the blue, digital pin 6. These digital pins are interchangeable as long as you have them correlating to your code. Lastly, the button. You want to connect your one side of the button to the 5-volt power and the other to a 330 ohm resistor, which is then connected to ground. Additionally, connect a male-to-male jumper cable from the 330 ohm resistor to your digital pin. The Arduino code shown here can be accessed in the description below. The construction of the lamp was pretty simple. The top portion is 3D printed. I've shared the file below. Additionally, the base is made out of plywood and the underside of the base is carved out so the Arduino and other components fit nicely. I did have to solder the connections. As you've seen in the breadboard, it's the same concept except you're soldering the direct connections to the Arduino and it is not via breadboard anymore.